So we have a nice pair of articles today. The installation is not ultra hard, it's basically easy. This is just probably more a product presentation than an installation guide, because basically you just insert it. So this is the cover for the manual roof opening in the luggage compartment of the car. What we can see, great glossy finish, the original arrow, sturdy. It comes in either left or right, depends on what you want, what you need. But what I would say is, if you get one, get both. Just for the fact that you don't have one which is old and already grayed out or cracked or something, my suggestion, get both of them. They're wonderful. And now let's go to install them. But as I said, this is just a plug and play. So let's go. So as mentioned, the installation is fairly simple. Mine are still okay, but if you have the original safety drop, or what can I say, either you clip it, take it out, and basically afterwards you just slide this one in and down, and from my point it does look really better. So that's it for this one. This one's simple.